Come on, sneeze. Fine, don't sneeze then. Yeah. Oh. Help me. No, don't jump, no. God dang it. Look at this! Oh, it's cold! Oh, that is cold. I see the light! I'm heading towards the light! Leo! God. I'm going to... Can I move? I need to move. Move. Scooch myself. Okay, this is good. Oh, I'm going backwards. Woo! Why am I saying it like that? Oh no. Oh yeah, I'm going to one. Well, that was fun. Oh. Cut me. I'm scared. Brandon, help. Oh no. We're going to die. And it's all your fault, Brandon. Oh, it's all your fault, Brandon. You're the one who wanted a stupid butt. Ew. You're gross. Saying all this. Oh.
Looks like we're gonna
I'm scared. I'm scared of heights. Did I ever mention I'm scared of heights? Yeah.
Me too, but...
Newsflash! I'm scared of heights!
I used to be scared of heights,
But now you're on an airplane and you freaking pooped your pants for the first time.
Oh, I
And
did it.
I'm sorry. I kind of pooped my pants. I smell Everest. Oh look.
Yeah.
Oh, look how high we are. That sounds really weird. Never mind.
That's Space Mountain, though.
Oh, that's what we're gonna go on? Oh, thank you. Oh, I thought it was gonna kill us or something. I'm gonna ask my question up there. Grandma lost your hat! It's right there! I found your hat! Grandma lost her hat! It's right there! Grandma lost her hat! I see it! I see the hat! I'll get the hat. I'll get the hat. Get that! Oh, sorry, girl, but your hat. Oh, I see your hat's right there. Your hat. It's your hat. Hey, guys, can you get our hat? Can you get our hat? Thank you. It just fell out during the ride. Like, oh, that was a GoPro. Dang it, I should have brought up a GoPro too. Oh, but they have the GoPro Hero 5. Oh, that was awesome.
Oh, the lifeguard can get it.
Oh, the lifeguard. Wow.
It's coming.
That's coming.
I can get it.
No, I can get it. Maybe I can get it. No, you're gonna make me fall out. Hello. To be continued. What was that? What's that face?